Please join us for a moment of silence as we reflect, meditate, pray, or engage in another service activity. Please begin now. Thank you. George Washington was the first president of the United States.
2, 3.
Washington, Adams, Jefferson, Madison, Monroe, Tom, Quincy, Adams, Jackson, McMurray, Harrison, Tyler, Pope, Taylor, Miller, Fillmore, Pierce, Buchanan, Abraham Lincoln, Andrew Johnson, Ulysses Grant, Rutherford Hayes, Garfield Arthur, Grover Cleveland, Benjamin Harrison, William Camden, William McKinley, Roosevelt, Taft, Wilson, Warren Howard Coolidge, Herbert Hoover, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, Harry S. Truman, Eisenhower, Kennedy, Johnson, Nixon, Gerald Ford, Jimmy Carter, Ronald Reagan, George Herbert Walker Bush, William Clinton, George Walker Bush, Obama Trump.
Good job. Okay, I'm going to say their name. I'm going to give you a wave, and I asked them what they would do if they were president. So I'm going to say that as I introduce. Okay, Miss Keeley, she would give money to homeless. Brenna would tell people to keep the nation clean. Zayden would help people. Andrew would tell people to be safe. Jaslyn would help people that are poor. Lueree would tell all people that they can be friends. Jaden is not here, but he said that he would see kids at the hospital. Macy would help everyone at school. Katie would be kind to others. Kinsley would tell people what to do.
Yeah.
Todd would give money to the poor. Drayden would help people. Adeline would be rich. Sebastian would go to outer space if he was president of the United States. Mahala would give money to the world. Boston would help people who are sick. And Miss Allison would... That was awesome. I don't think I could sing that song.
Nope.
That was wonderful. You guys did a lot of memorization with that. All right. Oh, what a surprise for the sparkling restroom. Guess what? Everyone is a winner today. That means all of you are working extra hard to help keep our building clean. All right, the cafeteria
February
award
15,
for first grade is
2019,
Mrs.
Rise and
Blackwell's
Shine,
class.
first grade, Mrs. Taron's class, Todd and Lueree, and it's Personality Portrait Day.
Second grade is Mrs. Wilson's class. Good job.